Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you step by step how to change your email address on Ticketmaster. Even if you're a complete beginner or using Ticketmaster for the first time, this tutorial will make it super simple. Let's get started. First, go to Ticketmaster.com or open the Ticketmaster app. Log in using your current email and password. If you're already logged in, you'll land on the home page. Once you're logged in, click on your profile icon at the top right corner. A small menu will open. Select My Account or Account Settings. Inside your account settings, you'll see different options like your name, phone number, address, and email. Click on Profile or Edit Profile. Now find the email address field. Click the edit or pencil icon next to it. Delete the old email and type in the new one you want to use. After you type the new email, scroll down and click Save, Update, or Save Changes, depending on your version of Ticketmaster. Ticketmaster will now send a verification link to your new email address. Go to your inbox, open the email from Ticketmaster, and click the verification link. This confirms your new email and completes the update. And that's it. That's how you change your email on Ticketmaster in just a few minutes. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more beginner-friendly guides, and drop a comment if you want tutorials on other apps. Thanks for watching.